Have you ever spent hours trying to solve a simple problem, only to feel completely stuck? If that's you, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue: how to insert an image into a JSP page. I totally understand your frustration. Spending 3 days on something that should be straightforward can feel overwhelming. You're not the only one who has faced this challenge, and we're here to help. Let's take a closer look at your situation. You mentioned that you're building a Java web application called Real Estates, and you want to include an image in your JSP page. You've tried various paths and folder structures, but the image still isn't displaying. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what could be going wrong? The issue might stem from how the image path is being referenced in your code. We'll break down the steps to ensure your image displays correctly. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin solving this issue, the user should first check the file path to ensure it is correct. The image file must be located in the right directory within the project structure. Next, the user should confirm that the image file is accessible. They can do this by directly entering the image URL in the browser to see if it loads correctly. If the image loads successfully, the user should then ensure that the JSP code is correctly formatted. The current code seems fine, but let's double-check it. Finally, if the image still does not display, the user should check the server logs for any errors. This can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Fun fact: the first web page ever created was published in 1991, and it was just a simple text page. Look how far we've come. Now we can add images and so much more. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests clarifying the image's location. They point out that if the image is in the Web Apps Real Estates Files directory, using the src attribute as /realestates_files_current.jpg should work. However, if the image is in a local directory, it won't be accessible via HTTP. They also mention that files in the webinf directory are not publicly accessible. As a last resort, they recommend moving the image to the web apps root directory and accessing it directly via localhost. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests using an input stream to add an image to your JSP page. The user provides an example that involves connecting to a database and inserting an image as a binary stream. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests creating the image folder outside the webinf directory. They recommend using the code snippet that includes the page context request to correctly reference the image. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. This user points out that web pages cannot access local files directly. For example, using a file path like C images folder /athjp in your JSP will not work in a browser. Instead, they suggest using a URL that points to the image hosted on your server. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your file paths and folder structures when working with web applications. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to display your image in the JSP page successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Remember, troubleshooting is a skill, and you're getting better at it every day.